Will Terra Classic LUNC coin crash more, or will Terra Classic start rising as the coin today has been pumping? Wow, don't be surprised that even though today we have been able to see that Terra Classic really pumped today, okay? Yes, we're happy to see that, but I don't think that is the starting point for Terra Classic return. That is the starting point for the revival. I still see Terra Classic dropping more. Okay, so with the question of will Terra Classic crash more, for me, I would say yes. I will give it 70% possibility that this coin will still drop more. Terra Classic might still drop more because even though Luna hit today, it is not an ordinary rise. Okay, what helped Terra Classic to pump today was Bitcoin. If you take a look, you see that many coins pumped today. BTC hit almost 3%. So many coins from Ethereum, from Binance BNB, from Solana, all these coins rise and pump today. Some coins even pump over 10% to 16%. Some are even hitting 20% increase in price as of today. All because the giant himself with his Bitcoin is rising. So definitely these coins will continue to rise. Okay, so that is what happened with Terra Classic. Not that Luna hit almost 4.30% increase today means maybe BTC was not rising, but Terra Classic was rising. As if it's natural rising, that I know that it is not the influence of Bitcoin, I will tell you that this can push Terra Classic to rise more within the next 3 or 4 days, which will definitely help to push the market cap to hit over $100 million extra. But this is not that case because it is the influence of Bitcoin that pushed Luna to rise. So for me, I still see Terra Classic will drop after this. Yes, once BTC stop rising and start trading on the consideration period, maybe up, down, you see that Terra Classic will still drop more. I'm telling you this. You can check the current market cap of Terra Classic. You can check it right now, check the price. In the next 5 days, if BTC stop rising and start rising gradually the way it has been rising, check Terra Classic after 5 days, you discover that this coin will drop more in terms of price, in terms of market cap, in terms of market volume. So BTC rising, Terra Classic rising does not mean we should rush to buy Terra Classic. No, don't rush yet. We need to keep on watching this coin for some time. Till this month end, that is when I will tell you my final conclusion. That will be the final, if Terra Classic is ever going to rise or not. Because like I said before, I've been testing Terra Classic for the 3 months now, and this month of August is the last month I'll be testing it. Well, please subscribe. If you have any question, please kindly drop your questions or whatever you think about Terra Classic. If you feel Terra Classic is going to rise, going to pump, please drop your questions or comments, and we'll be happy to hear from you. Like our video, subscribe to our channel, turn on notification in order not to miss our next videos.